Hello everyone, we will discuss some decoration ideas, activities and face painting ideas for Blue Day celebration. First, we will discuss and we will see the class decoration ideas for Blue Day. So, we can use the wider range of shades of blue color for the decoration of our classes and can introduce the blue color with the students in different creative ways. So, blue is often associated with the depth and stability. Blue symbolizes trust, loyalty, wisdom, confidence, intelligence, and truth. In order to emphasize the importance of Blue Color Day for pre-primary students, these are some activities you can perform with your students to make them recognize the blue color and the objects that are blue. Blue Day is an amazing learning experience which creates a long-lasting effect on each student. Early identification of colors helps to create the cognitive link between visual clues and words, which is an important part of a child's development. Blue color is good for kids because it is connected to calmness. It creates a feeling of relaxation and radiated peace. If a child's room has blue colored walls, he or she will feel more relaxed. It encourages a sense of well-being, making it ideal for learning situations that are intensely challenging and cognitively taxing. I hope that this video will be helpful for you while you are preparing yourself for the Blue Color Day celebration. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. See you soon with my new video. Till then, bye bye.